Messes are inevitable, and cleaning them up should be a breeze. First, we'll create a typical spill of oil and water. Here we have a rental shop towel, a rag, and a TORK wiper. All products you could use to clean up a spill. Let's test each one and see which product does the best job. The rental shop towel isn't absorbing the mixture and just makes more of a mess. Rental shop towels contain residue from previous users that can block absorption. The rag doesn't do any better. Rags are essentially recycled clothes and are often treated with silicone so they don't shrink. Good for clothes, but not for absorbency. Both rags and rental towels seem to push the mess around without absorbing, wasting valuable time. The TORK wiper is designed for superior absorption. The TORK wiper absorbs the spill and is designed to trap the oil inside the wiper. So, if we wring it out, only the water is released. Even when wet, the TORK wiper maintains its durability and strength. The TORK industrial cleaning cloth is absorbent and tough on any mess in your shop. TORK. Performance you can count on.